bastard. Jack Jarvis, Esquire. To whom am I speaking?
It's your old pal Victor McDade calling you from my mobile device.
Oh, smashing.
Are you in?
Yes, I am.
And the door is on the latch, so enter at your leisure.
Entering the apartment now, over.
Oh, I thoroughly enjoyed that.
Aye, these are great, aren't they? But listen, I'm no keen on my phone when it rings.
Oh, you mean your ringtone?
Aye, I don't like it. It sounds like the Titanic just before it sank.
Well, you can change that.
Can you? What have you got?
Call me.
I like that.
Aye, it's a good fit for me, you know. Suggests a man of action, mystery, intrigue.
Well, I'll have that as well then.
Aye. No.
You know.
Ach, we can't have the same ringtone, Jack. That's shite. The ringtone's an individual thing. It should say something unique about you.
Well, I want mine to uniquely say, "Hello, ladies, I'm a widower, and therefore available for dinner, or perhaps a little more."
You know what the perfect ringtone for that is, Jack?
What? Oh, you bastard!